Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: the vehicle RC, a clear owner ID, and a passport-style photo cropped to required dimensions. Once done, open the official portal and sign in with your credentials or create a new account. This establishes ownership and contact verification. Make sure to select the two-wheeler category and confirm the plate size and material options so the system validates compatibility. Enter basic vehicle details exactly as on RC to avoid delays. Submit the preliminary form and proceed. Now focus on the document and plate selection steps. Upload the RC and ID using the portal's accepted formats, then attach the owner photo. The system will auto-validate file sizes and legibility. Next, choose the authorized plate style and color. This matters because law enforcement checks reflective properties and font. Preview the plate where available and inspect character spacing and registration accuracy. Once satisfied, lock the design. This reduces rework. Proceed to the payment gateway to finalize the order and print request. Finish by paying through the secure gateway and downloading the confirmation receipt. Record the transaction ID for reference. Once paid, you'll receive a tracking number. Use it to follow manufacturing and courier updates and make sure someone is available for delivery. When the plate arrives, verify reflective material and characters against RC before fitting. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Review rejection reasons, correct document mismatches, improve scan quality, or retry payment. Contact support with your transaction ID if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.